Today we'll be making images in the clouds. For today's activity, you're going to need some construction paper, like this. You can pick whatever color you want. But if you don't have that, you can just use some plain white paper. You also need some scissors, some tape or glue, a pencil and eraser, then some coloring supplies, like colored pencils. And lastly, you're going to need some printed pictures of clouds, like these. To start off our activity, you're going to take your picture, and you're going to look for a shape in the clouds, and you're going to pick a nice fun one. I decided to do this big dark shape. And once you've picked your shape, you're going to draw it on your piece of paper. It doesn't have to be perfect, just keep it nice and simple and draw the outline of your shape. Once you're all done with that, you're going to decide, what does this shape look like? You can think it looks like a dog, a bird, a tree, anything you want. And once you've decided what it looks like, you're going to try and draw it. You can make it simple, or you can add a ton of details. With mine, I did a dragon. I gave him a nice big wing, some horns, a nose, and some little teeth. The next step is cutting out our drawing. Please be careful while doing this, or ask an adult for help. Once we get our drawing cut out, we're going to add some color to it. You can use whatever you want, colored pencils, markers, crayons, whatever you want to use. You can also color it whatever color you want. I decided to make my dragon blue and gave him some scales as well. Now that we're all done coloring, we're going to take our tape or glue, whichever you have, and we're going to attach our drawing to our picture of clouds. Since I have tape, I'm just going to take a small roll of tape and place it on the back of my dragon. And then I'm going to put it right on top of my shape that I picked earlier, and there we go. You also don't have to only do one drawing per picture. You can do as many as you like. In my next picture, I did more than one, I did 2. In this one, the clouds weren't as fun, so I decided to use the shape of the sky instead. And I ended up with another little dragon and a little fish. You can also do this if you can't find many shapes in your clouds. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed today's activity and had fun.